Your Excellency, allow me to say a few things. Kwanza, to thank you for welcoming us here, and I want to remain within the syllabus. Nehemiah chapter 6, when Nehemiah was rebuilding the wall of Jerusalem, we had two people who tried to distract him. One was called Sanballat and Geshem. They wanted to distract him so that he doesn't continue building the wall. But Nehemiah told them, I'll not come down because I've not finished what I'm doing. Your Excellency, continue building the wall of affordable housing, infrastructure, the stadiums you are building. Those noises will always be there to try and distract you like Sanballat tried to do, but remain on the wall. Your Excellency, if you read Philippians 1:6, it says what has been started must be completed. Your Excellency, we are encouraging you to complete what you have started. All these people, most of them came by road. Those caterpillars, graders you saw, that is the Rironi Mau Summit Road. That is going to save us as we go to Western. Your Excellency, we want to encourage you, just the way you told us, that you would want one team to also start from Malaba, coming this side so that they can meet in the middle. Your Excellency, that will do a great service to us because our people have been staying long hours on the road. Your Excellency, we also want to thank you for the SGR relay, which had stopped in Naivasha, and through your leadership, is now going to Malaba through Mianga in Bungoma. Your Excellency, we know you have plans to put up a level 6 hospital in Bungoma at the cost of 10 billion. Your Excellency, you are also completing the level 6 hospital in Kakamega. Your Excellency, you are also improving the airstrip in Kakamega. You are also putting up a terminal station in Matulo airstrip in Bungoma. Your Excellency, my duty as somebody coordinating your activities, we have a team here that has been working, is to provide evidence to the people of Kenya that work is being done. Kazi inaendelea. So do we want continuity or we want interruption? Do we want continuity or we want interruption? Na wakweka ni watu wa kusema ukweli. Wakweka wakisema wamefanya hivyo, that's why they don't even swear by the Bible, they just lift their hands. Na wakisema watakupatia, na nimekuwa hapa, Your Excellency. Mimi nataka ni back relevant. Kuna mtu alienda kwa Yesu usiku. Alikuwa anaitwa nani? Nicodemus. Akauliza, nikitaka kwenda kwa ufalme wa Mungu, nataka nifanye namna gani? Aliambiwa aje? Lazima uzaliwe mara ya pili. Hiyo ndio two term, Your Excellency, that we are talking about. Hiyo ndio two term, Your Excellency, tunaongea juu yake. Lazima uzaliwe mara mbili. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na Mheshimiwa Rais, nilikuwa hapa nikiangalia maendeleo ile unafanya. Nikaona chapati inatengenezwa huko. Na nikaona imewekwa upande moja na ikapinduliwa. So lazima ipinduliwe mara ya pili ndio iwe chapati. Hiyo ndio two term tunazungumzia, Mheshimiwa Rais. So we want to assure you, Your Excellency, that we will continue talking to our people because you are one president who has tried to balance development in this country. That is for a fact. If you go, things are happening everywhere. Kenya has become a construction site because of what you are doing. And we know that first term is to lay the foundation, to clear the ground. But a lot of things are going to be seen as we continue. And that's why we want to pray to God to give you strength so that you can continue the good work that you are doing in the Republic of Kenya. Wakweka tunasema tutasaidia Mheshimiwa Rais. Hebu nione kwa mkono wale wanasema Mheshimiwa Rais two term. Asante sana. Wakweka wakisema wamesema, may God bless you.